Every year, thousands of Americans die in car crashes, and the scary truth is, most people buy a car based on how it looks, not how well it protects them. Dealers love that, because some of the most popular cars in the lot, they're among the worst performers when they hit something. But today, we're flipping the script. I dug into the latest IIHS crash test data, the toughest safety standards in American automotive history, and found the 5 vehicles that are genuinely, provably the safest you can buy right now. No fluff, no paid placements, just the data. And number 1, you probably didn't see it coming. What is IIHS TSP+? Before we count down, here's what you need to know. The IIHS, Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, is the gold standard for crash testing in America. They're funded by the insurance industry, which means they have zero financial incentive to protect any car brand. Their Top Safety Pick Plus, TSP+, is the highest rating any car can earn. And in 2025 and 2026, the bar got even harder to clear. To earn TSP Plus in 2026, a car must score good, not acceptable, good in all of these: small overlap front crash, updated moderate overlap front, now tests rear seat dummies too, side crash, pedestrian front crash prevention, and new vehicle-to-vehicle test including motorcycles and semi-trailers at highway speed. That last one is brand new for 2026, and it eliminated dozens of cars that were on the safe list just last year. Out of every car sold in America, only 45 vehicles earned TSP Plus for 2026. These are the 5 that stood furthest above the rest. Number 5, 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback. IIHS TSP Plus, starting at about $24,995. MPG 26 by 35. Coming in at number 5, and this one is going to shock some of you. It's the 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback. Now, I know what you're thinking, a Mazda on a safety list? Hear me out, because Mazda just did something no other brand did in 2025. They earned more IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus awards than any other manufacturer. 8 vehicles, the most of any brand, including BMW, including Mercedes, including Toyota. And the Mazda 3, it aced every single front crash prevention test the IIHS ran. Every single one. At around $25,000 for the hatchback, this is the most affordable way to get into a vehicle that scores good across the board in crash tests. Dealers will try to upsell you into a bigger, flashier SUV, but dollar for dollar, nothing on this list protects you more efficiently than this little Mazda. The iActive Sense Safety Suite is standard. Automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring. You get all of it day one. If you're a daily commuter who doesn't need the extra space, the Mazda 3 hatchback might be the smartest purchase on this entire list. Number 4, 2025 Toyota Camry IIHS TSP Plus, starting at about $28,000, MPG around 51 by 53 hybrid. Number 4, the 2025 Toyota Camry. And yes, I know, you've heard of the Camry, but what most people don't know is what changed for 2025. Toyota went all in and made every single Camry a hybrid, no more gas-only option, and instead of sacrificing safety for fuel economy, they made it safer. The 2025 Camry earns IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, and it carries that rating into 2026 as well. That's consistent, proven protection across 2 model years. Long-term reliability, the Camry is legendary, and here's why that matters for safety. A system that malfunctions is a system that can't protect you. Active safety tech only works when it actually works, and Toyota's reliability record is the best in the business. Starting at around $28,000, you're getting TSP Plus protection, 51 miles per gallon, and one of the most dependable cars ever built. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard: pre-collision system, adaptive cruise, lane departure alert, and automatic high beams. All of it base trim day one. Oh, and dealers, they love charging over MSRP on these. Don't let them. The Camry sells in the millions. There's no shortage. Walk if they won't deal. Number 3, 2025/2026 Subaru Forester IIHS TSP Plus, starting at around $29,999. Standard AWD on every trim. Number 3, and this one deserves serious respect, the Subaru Forester. 18 years, the IIHS has awarded the Forester a top safety pick 18 consecutive years since 2007. No other small SUV has that record, not one. And for 2026, the Forester didn't just hold the award, it upgraded. TSP Plus now applies to all trim levels, including the Forester Hybrid. Even the Wilderness trim that was previously excluded is now rated. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist system has been upgraded with a wider field of view, longer range, and a new automatic emergency steering feature that can physically steer you away from a collision if there's room to react. Every single Forester also comes with Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, not optional, standard, on every trim from day one. Starting at $29,999, that's 18 years of safety leadership, standard AWD, and the most consistent IIHS track record in compact SUV history. If you've got a family and you want a car that's been proven safe year after year, not just in one test, not just for one model year, this is it. Number 2, the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 6 IIHS TSP Plus, starting at around $37,850, range around 361 miles. And number 2, the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 6. And if you're not paying attention to what Hyundai is doing right now, you are sleeping on it. The Ioniq 6 scored good in every single major IIHS crash test category. Every single one. That's not common, that's rare. And here's something that matters for 2025 specifically. Hyundai actually went back and upgraded the rear seat belts mid-production to improve rear occupant protection in moderate overlap crashes. They identified a vulnerability and they fixed it. That's the kind of commitment to safety that earns trust. The Ioniq 6 is an all-electric streamliner. 361 miles of range on a charge, ultra-fast 800-volt charging, and a cabin that feels genuinely futuristic. Starting around $38,000, and with the federal EV tax credit, you could potentially knock $7,500 off that. Consult a tax professional, but do the math. If you're looking for the safest EV sedan you can buy right now, nothing else comes close. Number 1, the 2025/2026 Rivian R1S IIHS TSP Plus, starting at around $75,900, range around 410 miles. Number 1, and I told you at the start, you did not see this coming, the Rivian R1S. Not a Volvo, not a BMW, not a Mercedes, a Rivian. The R1S is the only large SUV in all of America to earn IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus for 2026, the only one out of every large SUV tested. Here's what makes this remarkable. Large EVs are hard to crash test well. The battery weight changes the physics of impact. Multiple automakers have struggled. Rivian nailed it and improved from year to year to do so. The 2025 R1S got good ratings across every crash test except headlights, which were rated acceptable, one step below good. That's the only imperfection on an otherwise flawless safety report card. Standard safety tech, forward collision warning with AEB, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree camera. And it fords 43 inches of water, which you probably won't need, but it's a flex. Yes, it starts at around $75,000. This isn't the pick for every budget, but if you're in the market for a large SUV and safety is the priority, there is objectively, measurably no better rated option on American roads right now. And that's not an opinion, that's the data. So there you have it, the 5 safest cars and SUVs you can buy in 2025 and 2026, according to the toughest crash test standards ever written. From the $25,000 Mazda 3 hatchback to the $75,000 Rivian R1S, safety doesn't have one price point, but it does have one standard. If this helped you make a smarter decision, smash that like button, subscribe so you never miss a video, and drop a comment below. Which car on this list surprised you the most? I'll see you in the next one. Don't let the dealer win.